Saying number 343. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Utterances are preserved and actions are to be tried. Every soul, for what it earned, is held in pledge. People are to be made deficient, as regards their bodies, and meddled with, as regards their minds, except those whom Allah protects. The questioner among them aims at confusing, and the answerer creates hardship. It is possible that the man who has the best views among them will be deviated from the soundness of his thinking by pleasure or displeasure, and it is possible that a single glance may affect even the man with the best wisdom among them, or a single expression may transform him.